Hello everyone, this is Kevin Luther. I am the winemaker for Wisevilla Winery along with Dr. Grover Lee. And today I'm teaching you how to program our gate timer. This gate timer has a fairly straightforward operation that controls when the gate is open and when the gate is closed. So the way it works is pretty straightforward. It tells you when, Wednesday at 3:11 p.m., our current time. At this current time, the gate is in the on position, which means it's open. On means the gate is defaulted to being open. Off means the gate is defaulted to being closed. The timer button scrolls through your timer settings, which is how you tell it during the days of the week to be open or closed. So we are open Wednesday at 10:45, the gate opens, which we have it open 15 minutes before we actually open, so customers can come in and park and all that good stuff. The next timer setting, still under setting 1 off Wednesday at 5 p.m. because we close Wednesday at 5 p.m. Timer setting 2, gate opens on Thursday at 10:45. Timer setting 2, gate closes Thursday at 5 p.m. You can scroll through. Friday, we open at 10:45. Friday, the gate closes at 9 p.m. because we're open later for dinner. And now Saturday and Sunday, the gate opens at 10:45 and closes at 5 p.m. Pretty straightforward. These timer settings, you'll see this blank spot there. If you're scrolling through the hours, just past 23, when you'd reach 24, which is, past the end of the day, rather than displaying 24, it displays these blank spots. That just means that that timer setting will not be active. So now you see all of our timer settings. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and the rest. Now if I click this button, it returns me to where we are today, which is Wednesday at 3:13 p.m. To change the timer settings, you would click to whatever timer setting you want to change. Let's say Wednesday opening. Let's say we wanted to open a little later. This M+ button changes the minutes. No, let's say we decided not to open until noon today. We might want to open at 11:50. There we go. You can also change the day, but obviously, in this case, timer setting 1, the first day of the week that we're open is Wednesday. Now, okay, I want to change these back because actually we want the gate to open at 10:45. 10:45. And just let it scroll through, find your time. And there we go, it's set. Now, you don't have to save it or anything, it is what it is. It saves wherever you left it. So I could change any of them, when it opens, when it closes. And you'll notice when you click on the timer, it scrolls through the day settings or the timer settings, on, off, on, off, on, off. Because each one's, you got to open at one time and then close at another time. So that's how that works. That's how you set the timers for the week. Now, what if you wanted to change the actual time? Like, what if this clock was just wrong, or maybe we went through daylight savings time? It's not quite the same as the timer settings. You can't just click back to the current time and then change the day or time. You see, it doesn't do anything. You have to hold this down and then press day, hour, or minute. So maybe you'd change that or change that. But actually, it is Wednesday at I think that's right. I'll look at my clock after we're done. Might actually be 3:14. So, once you've set the time, you've set the clock, set your timers, everything's how you want it to be, you're done. That's setting the timer and setting the clock. Pretty straightforward. And this guy right here, as I mentioned, turns the on-off setting manually from on to off if for some reason you need to override the setting that you have it at. That is clock and timer. Thank you for listening.